Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to your HarmonWeb account. Let's get started. And the first step here is to log into your HarmonWeb account. And from your HarmonWeb account, we click on the billings. And from here, you click the add funds. Now you can also click on the available credit balance here to add fund. So you can see the available credit balance here. And from here, we see the minimum deposits, which is 1,000 naira. And you also see the maximum deposits and also the maximum balance. So from here, you have your amount to add. I can add 1,000 naira, which I'm going to be using. And you also have the option to select your payment method. You can use your card, bank transfer, USSD, QR code. You can also select Flutterwave here, but I'm just going to use the first option. When you're done, you click on the add funds. Now take note that all your deposits are non-refundable. So you click on add funds. Now from here, you'll be able to select your payment method. You can use the card. From here, you put your card number, bank transfer, USSD, pay attitude. Now when your payment has been successfully confirmed, you can go back to the home section. Now from here, you scroll to the available credit balance. Now what should be showing here is the amount which you just deposited into your available credit balance. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any question, feel free to leave them at the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.